Nature plays an important role in healing the human body, mind, and spirit. Sometimes it works better than the medicines to get well. Being in nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it also contributes to your physical well being. It connects us to each other and the larger world. Traditionally, it is said in Ayurveda that treatment gets more effective in natural conditions, and Ayushpathy located in the serene ambience of natural surroundings, where you can heal your body, mind, and soul with the help of Ayurveda and goodness of nature.